Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So, of course, you can see today we are going to do the unboxing for this very amazing mini GT. It's from the James Bond series. So, I did not buy all the stuff from James Bond series except a few I have. I think there are like several cars if we talk about only this particular model, only this Aston Martin. We have seen couple in different modifications and from different movies, but this is the only clean model that I liked because it was just the normal version of the car. And then there was this Jaguar, and now we have got this amazing from Diamonds Are Forever, amazing car. Isn't this awesome? Before that, I'm going to give you guys a little bit closer look on the previous ones. So I'm just going to give you a glimpse of this Aston Martin from the James Bond series. This looks beautiful. Those of you, those who have subscribed my channel earlier could have seen this car in my earlier videos. You can just go and find the video if you want to watch the complete unboxing of this. Let's put this one here as well. We have unboxing video of this also on the YouTube channel, so you just need to go a little back and you can find the link. This is amazing car from the Jaguar. I think it was XC100 or something. And now we are going to focus on the star of today's unboxing. So I'm going to cut the card from here. I'll do that off camera and I'll show it to you guys. I'll pull everything out in front of you. Give me a moment. So the card is, I have cut the blister already, and let's just bend this card a little here and pull the box out, as well as the car. It's already out of the, look at this, look at this beautiful car. Here's your base. We have all the details. It says Ford Mustang 1971, and I'll put it on the turntable and we will have a closer look with this here. And before that, here's their box from Diamonds Are Forever. You can see the Mustang on it with the white. I like the boxes they made. It's the number 905. I really like these 007 boxes. They are green and, oh sorry, it's gray. They're gray, and then we have this gold markings on it, and of course there's a backing up inside. So let's put this on the side. Oh, let's put this here, yeah, and have a closer look on our star. And this is the beautiful car we are going to review today. I really like the car scheme. The red, the blood red color with the black and chrome trim on it. It says Mach 1 on the side. We have the front lights, detail indicators, the Mustang logo in the front. Also we have the side indicators, and on the back we have all the detailings including the exhausts. chrome exhausts. I like the wheels, the deep dish chromed wheels. This is such a beautiful car to add and to have. What a time to be alive in the diecast. If you're a diecast fan, what a time to be alive. So good pricings and so nice cars, so good castings to collect for the car lovers in 164 scale. Wow. Hats off to all the brands and especially the Mini GT who have brought all these beautiful cars and licensings to us so that we can collect. So guys, that was your Mustang from James Bond movie, Mustang Mach 1. Thank you so much for watching this, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm uploading unboxing videos every weekend. I try my best. The rest is on you guys. How is your response? If you guys like it, if my channel is growing, I'll keep doing that. If it is not, then maybe I'll still keep doing that. But thank you so much for all your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye.